Hello friends. So talking about the spice business in India, the market size is near about $10 billion, which is increasing at a good rate of more than 20%. However, if we look into the branded sector, branded firms within the spice business, it is only 30%, which is going on in an organized way. Largely, we have seen MDH, then Everest, and DH Group. These are the firms leading this sector. Sunrise Foods, we know in the east, Kolkata based, I believe. So we have a few brands which are running, but this comprises of only 30% of the total uh, manufacturing and supply chain distribution. The rest 70% is largely happens in an unorganized way. So we see a huge gap in terms of or scope opportunity for firms to come in and take on this unbranded sector and expand the brand in this business. And if we look into the growth within this market and these companies, these are more than 15 to 20%, which is an attractive growth for the FMCG sector. Recently, in this context, we have seen how ITC, which is normally seen as a firm which expands organically, recently they have acquired Sunrise Foods for near about 2000 crore rupees. And the main thing is Sunrise is a kind of leader in the spice business in the eastern part of India, and ITC wanted to expand its dimension in the spices business and gain the leverage the opportunity which is there in the market. The market is in the growing phase, and largely there is a great opportunity to tap this market being served by the unbranded sector. So those things have led ITC to take this decision of acquisition, this inorganic expansion, and even other firms are looking into entering this unbranded sector and leveraging this market growth, what is happening in India for the spice business, including this export potential, uh, because definitely India is a brand which produces great spices, and that is something we have always leveraged since ancient times. So that keeping those things in mind, big firms are planning to enter into the spice business and further increase the manufacturing, supply chain, distribution, reaching out to Indian customers as well as exporting. So overall, formalizing this entire market more and more. That's the idea. Thank you.